All right, thank you very much, Gare. One of my favorite segments here, when people invite you into their home, it's usually a nice idea to bring them a host or hostess gift. But what's really appropriate for that dinner party, the shower, or the weekend stay? Event designer Tara Wilson here with some great gift ideas, just beautiful ideas on how to give the perfect present. Because, Tara, how do you pick the right gift?
Sure. Well, it's all contingent on what you're going to. So if you're going to a dinner party, you want to spend less than $25. But if you're spending the weekend with friends at their country house, you certainly want to step it up a bit. And there are some gifts that are mandatory, and then there are times when their gifts aren't mandatory.
Hold on, let's talk about the mandatory gifts.
Sure.
We may not have ever learned this lesson.
Absolutely. So if you are staying at someone's home, it's mandatory that you either bring a gift, buy them one, or send them one when you get back. Same thing if you host a shower for someone. So if you're having a shower hosted in your honor, you really need to take a gift to that hostess to express your gratitude. But if you're going to someone's home for a dinner party, it's less important or less appropriate for you to bring a gift, but it's okay if you do, and if you don't, send a thank you note.
All
for
right,
sure.
let's get to some of these beautiful ideas.
Okay, sure.
Least expensive first.
Right, absolutely. So for a dinner party, some things that you want to think about, maybe you want to send some gourmet popcorn. This popcorn came from Inside Out in Fort Worth, or you could do Not Your Mother's Dinner Party Table Topics. Those are little cards. They're less than $25. You can get those at Prim and Proper, and you take those as a gift. So very inexpensive, under $25.
Okay, I love bringing a glass of wine, but this is a bottle.
Right.
I bring my glass sometimes too.
You don't want to take a gift that the host feels like she has to do something with immediately, such as flowers or food or wine. So instead, look at getting these beautiful stoppers,
look at these,
which are made from antique handles and doorknobs.
Beautiful. Look at the detail on there.
Aren't those
I'm just gonna
great?
Show that off too. Oh,
you could
gorgeous.
take those for a housewarming gift.
What does something like this run?
Those are less than $50 a piece.
Wow.
Again, from Inside Out.
Okay.
Now, if you are going to be an overnight guest with someone or a weekend guest, think about doing his and her robes. You can get these from Pottery Barn, so they're very accessible. Again, under $100 per robe. But if that doesn't suit you, then think about something fun and creative that somebody wouldn't maybe do for themselves. The Quick Pop Maker from Zoku is a really cute idea. You can pick this up at Williams-Sonoma, or even salt and pepper shakers in a fun little design from Jonathan Adler.
And custom stationery, always a winner too. If you want more ideas from Tara Wilson, make sure you go to CBS11TV.com, click on links and numbers. Fabulous as always, Tara. Thank you. Keith?